Hello friends, welcome back to I Made Me Think end-to-end website testing using Selenium, Cucumber Java video tutorials. In this particular playlist, I took an example of airlines ticket booking website validation and how to implement it. So we have seen important factors, important features to be considered. We have seen couple of examples. We saw end-to-end scenarios. We have seen the feature file layer code walkthrough, the Java code walkthrough. We have seen the WebDriver code walkthrough. We have seen the second layer, that is page object layer Java code walkthrough. Let's take a look at utilities code. So the utilities are basically here: user management, general utilities, other payment utilities, social plugin, and WebDriver. So let's start with the WebDriver utility. So I think the WebDriver init part, instantiate WebDriver, this we have already seen. In this utility, there are some general methods which are implemented for all the common operations which can be done. For example, initializing the page objects, the individual page objects. So this is done here. Real WebDriver is passed. This is the one which is done using abstract page. Instantiate WebDriver we have seen. Okay, terminate. So as we have initiate page object or whatever is initiate, the corresponding terminate method is also discussed, also implemented. Terminate abstract page, terminate WebDriver. So terminating WebDriver is also implemented. It is as simple as .quit, but we have to do some other operations: close and navigate to null or empty and then close. Then image. So okay, this utility is to check the home page load time. Basically, whenever user opens any portal, any website, what is the home page loading time? So it is done using the default or the normal home page load time is set in the properties file. So it is reading that particular variable, that particular property, using properties file handler, and some operation is done, and it will print the message whether it is pass or fail, the load time is within specified limit or not. Pop-up handler, this is a generic pop-up handler. So depends on what particular application, what particular type of pop-up you want to handle, whether it is an alert or window or just an pop-up on top of screen or multiple pop-ups. So all these are handled here. That also using switch case. Check broken links, check broken images, check all frame title. Again, this is an utility where it will go to particular mobile app website, let's say App Store or Android, Google Android App Store or Apple App Store, and it will search for particular title, and it will check whether the installer or the binary app file is installable or not. Verifying navigation to mobile app site and download for American Airlines. So like this. So for iOS, for Android, it is designed. So for Go Air also it is designed for clear trip and things like that. Let's take a look at general constants. So these are general constants. So this is an array where we specify the type of browser which need to add any missing or supported WebDriver. We can add some date format, some common some common objects are initialized here. Initialize general supporting items as discussed. We can initialize the database init, Excel, Apache, PO handler, CSV handler, properties file handler, all things here in the all switch case, or we can initialize using individual switch case. Similarly, terminate general supporting items. So init and terminate. General helper methods generate positive random number between range minimum and maximum. Random string generator, random first name generator, random second name, random address. Some random string generator utilities are defined here. Random date generator, basically for airlines booking or any particular booking website, I have considered the date to be coming Friday or coming weekend, so that we will get the maximum it's actually the peak booking day or peak booking time, so that I have considered. Image comparison utility is also discussed. There are some open source libraries available in Java, or Java utilities available to compare images, PNG, JPG, etc. Image compare. We can take a screenshot, and whenever a test fails or something exception is generated, just take the screenshot that on this particular screen exception was generated, and we can store it, and it is easy for reporting. Properties file handler. So init properties file handler, basically initializing the properties file class, single property getter and setter. So we can no need to traverse through entire file every time. Just call this particular method and we can set a particular property or get a particular property value. Social plugins. Social plugin handler, Facebook. So for example, if for any website, if you want to see that whether it's a Facebook page is displayed properly or not, verify the URL, verify the title, and any other similar items which we want to verify, it can be done here. Similarly for Twitter, similarly for Google Plus, similarly for Instagram and all popular social networking sites. The functionalities can be tested here, can be implemented and tested from this utility. User management. So all the user related things, user, gender, name, gender, age, email, so website specific things are discussed here. Everything is in a JSON object format, so it is easy to pass a data structure to an application which just want to use it. That's it. So user information is based on the website specific requirement. I have put it here. Thanks for watching.